Hello lovely friends, today we will be showing you how to do this coral beaded necklace. Before we start,
welcome to Maggie B's Family TV. Welcome to Maggie B's Family TV.
Because coral comes in different shapes and sizes in strands, that make it more difficult to arrange it properly. You may end up with something like this if you are not careful. But today I'm going to show you how you can do it properly. To do this necklace, these are the things I will be using. This is the brush. You see it has this divider. Passing through all these holes here today to do it. And this is the earring. This is the earring. Yeah, so we don't need this for now. And these two type of spacer bead clasps we'll be using will be any of these two. 0.35 fishy line. And this spacer bead is optional. I will fix my fishy line on my clasps. So the first layer starts from this here. I fix my thread in both, and then I will skip this loop, and then I will start the second layer here. I am not starting with the long one, because if you start with the long one, your work will not be flexible. So I will start with a shorter one rather than the long one. Okay, so I'll pick one, enter from here. And this tail, I will make sure that this tail enter this bead here. Okay, because we don't want the tail to be visible or to be inching. That is why we don't cut it direct from the clasps. I cannot pick a longer one because this one can make it flexible. So here, the next strand will come here. So this is how I fix it. At this point, I can add this one here. So let me do the other side before we add this one. As you can see, we have it. Now I have to add this one here. Not to make it complicated, I can just cut out, you see, my thread. And then I'm going to enter one hole here, you can see, and with the other I will enter the next hole as well. Okay, and then I will tie it very well. We tie it very firm. See, it's tight now. we do the same thing to the other side. The next layer will come from here like this. Now I'm going to insert my thread on the both side here. I've inserted my thread in this other side, leaving a tail. Let me show you how I do it. I have fixed my thread. Yeah, so I double it with the two tails. I will pass through the last loop here. Okay, then I will do what? I will make a knot, leaving a tail. 2 knots, leaving a tail. So this is practically how I add the thread, yeah. And you will see that I will still be picking 3. If the bead were even, then I will need to increase my bead, but I am going to select from the coral. Okay, I'm going to select from the coral to make it even so that I can pick the same amount of beads. You can see this one is a bit longer than this one here. Instead of picking 2, I pick one that is a bit longer so that it can be almost the same thing here. Okay, it will come out nicely. Yeah, I'll pass my tails into it also. I will drag, and if I like, I can still tie it here properly so that it will not go out. So that is it. I have it. I will pick another bead that is also longer than this with some few centimeters. I'll pass the tail into it. So this is the tail. I will drag. We do sell all this accessory on our website. If you want to do it yourself or if you want to buy it from us, please contact us. We will make it available to you. If you have not seen it on our website, just write us and we will make it available for you. Let's put it in the mannequin again. Now we will do the other side as well.